Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat fidang page yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henin kasngi kasitarik unailar ka Public Account Committee ne ka PSC kala Khot Hajir yaki officer jong Tnad PWD bat ka Tnad Pule puthi jong ka sarkar jala halor ka jing Slem man Pyndep yaki yeng man pensa yaki shenrang ki ba Pule ka kyang nang ba college Jowai. Nakalang ka Tnad Pule puthi lawan mikmat do secretary uba WR lingdo uba amshamnala ban ay ka jubab halor ka ni ka jingkli. Handai lah sungtupan ban nakapisa ka baka sarkar kelamang si keluar khat arlak tingka haduk menta ka sarkar kala pelan tang 20% kat ba ka 10% pat kadang sakon ka Public Accounts Committee hagani ka singi kal batharu ya ka Tnad Pule puthi bakadai ban pentrai kamno ya ka pisa ka balamang ar keluar tingka ka balayo leng ba ka skim Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan ka pisa ban penhe ya ka kyang nang ba college ka PSC kala pan jing pensharu halor ka jing bamla ban pelat ya ka pisa ka ba khatwai banai ban siwi kinong hikai bat kinong tre jong kini college habakaran hikinong pathai khobor hadin gejelang uba polling do ubolong chairman jong kini committee ulai thoru bakidan hadu nyongot kinong hikai kiba hikai haki class haka pol mastem kibala eno ya kam kat baki artli ki jaka balaj haka kam hikai hadu menta kidang sa athli nadu bala penkerya ya kibarem kata kinong hikai kiba hikai ya ka subject mathematics bat ka english uba polling do ula pentep ru baki ni kino hikai ki bahikai hakani college ki yo ka jingseu tang san hajar tingka sibnai ka bami hap satya bat ka dor kambalabo ka sarkar.
For instance, this incomplete work of 40% work has resumed and the contractor has already started work and the college authorities have requested that the sanctioned amount should be made available as for the work of 60%, which is already completed, meaning that work has now resumed. We are, however, extremely disturbed by this revelation that altogether there are 95 staff, 26 teaching and 9 non-teaching staff who have been working since the past 1 year against non-sanctioned posts. These 26 lecturers and 9 non-teaching staff have not been paid their salary since October last year. And there is no assurance that their service or that these posts would be sanctioned. So in today's meeting, since the Secretary Education who was present could not reply to many of the queries of the members, we have asked him to submit a detailed report as according to the college authorities represented by the college principal. They have already submitted proposals to get these posts sanctioned, and these have gone from the directorate up to the government level, and there has been a delay in according sanction to these posts. What we are apprehensive is that if these posts remain unsanctioned and these teachers, non-teaching staff continue to remain unpaid, they will not continue to work voluntarily for very long.